Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode 231 of Trading Talk. In this week's episode, our senior trader Matt discusses building a core framework which then utilises a specific entry which he shared in a recent episode, but with a few important tweaks. This is a great entry technique you'll want to use in your own trading. As you probably know by now, we're really excited to have a well-known equities trader, Radge, on board for this year's Algo Conference. Nick will be presenting a portfolio-based model incorporating a proprietary ranking to filter out the highest probability trades each day. I've worked with a lot of clients and I'm pretty confident that you aren't already trading a model like this, so make sure you come to the conference at Sofitel Melbourne to see how it's done and take the model home at the end of the day. Additionally, I'm now speaking with a select few professional traders in relation to having them present at this year's conference. And let me tell you, we're talking to some really great talent. So no matter who we go with, this year's conference is going to be a great event. Do yourself a favor, come and join us this year in Melbourne at the Sofitel. There's a number of new developments we're working on here on the trading desk, which I can't wait to discuss in more detail soon. But for now, hope you enjoy this Trading Talk episode, and until next week, all the best with your trading.